Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to see incognito history in Chrome browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following me to this tutorial, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so quite a lot of number of people does not know that using Chrome incognito mode does not make you anonymous. Your browse history can still be found, and in this video I'll show you on how to simply see your browse history in Chrome incognito mode. First thing for what you need to do is to make sure you minimize your incognito mode. Then the next thing you want to do on your Windows PC, press Window plus R, and this run dialog box here is going to pop up. And the next thing you need to do is to come to the run box right here and type in CMD, and then make sure you hit on OK. And this is going to pump up. And the next thing you need to do is to come in here and make sure you type in IP config slash display DNS. Then hit enter. So you see all your browse history from incognito mode, just like what you see right here. You can see everything right here. So we can see right here. So the more you use your incognito mode, the more your browse history is going to be pumped up, just like so. It's as simple as that. Then for you to delete permanently your browse history and Google Chrome incognito, what you need to do is to press Window plus R again and make sure you type in CMD and hit on OK. And in the dialog run box right here, type in IP config slash flush DNS and hit enter. And you should have a successful flush right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to see your browse history in Google Chrome incognito and how you can simply delete your browse history out of Google Chrome incognito mode when you are done with your incognito browse in Chrome. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.